So this is day 3 of talking in front of a camera to improve my communication skills. So I am whispering because my mom and sister are sleeping, so I have to keep my voice down and I have yeah. So I'll whisper for now. So I haven't planned on what to talk about, so I'll talk about the things that I need to improve on. I haven't been consistent. I'm a little bit lost on what to do in my 17 years of life. I'm a little bit pressured. College is coming to a close, and I'm still undecided on what to take, what course to take, what path to choose, because there was no one to guide me. Like I have to taught myself. I have to yeah, taught myself on how to do things because my mother she just provides me the things I need, but um she just doesn't teach me things that like my father used to say to me. I need to plan. I need to plan out my schedule because I always forget um, the things I need and want to do. I need to work on that, and also tomorrow I'll post um, I'll post background my my background so you can understand or what's that word again? Understand me. I guess that's the word. And I recently got sick, so sorry for my appearance. It's a little bit messy. Yeah. So that's it for now. Yeah. And see you in the next video. Thank you.